Introducing the no-brainer thrombectomy campaign. If you had the chance to help save just one life, or 50,000 lives, would you?
At Let's Fix the NHS, we are making the case for a £500 million UK government investment to expand access to mechanical thrombectomy, a highly effective stroke treatment that can prevent death and severe disability.
Here's how it works. If someone has a stroke, there is a good chance a clot that travels to or near the brain, blocking blood flow, is the cause. The saying, "time is brain," is so true. And the faster a patient reaches a thrombectomy center, the better.
Once scans are completed, if the patient is eligible, as assessed by interventional neuroradiologists, who are now assisted by AI, they will place a catheter into the groin and feed it up to the brain, where they will open a stent, which can then be used to remove the clot.
Blood flow is restored, and for those that are reached in time, the loss of essential functions like vision, mobility, swallow function and speech can be reversed. In many cases, the patient is able to walk out the following day, with few remaining symptoms, and the ability to live a normal and full life.
It's remarkable, and it's one of the most effective treatments in the medical world.
The projected return of the investment is £6 billion in economic benefit, and over 50,000 lives saved or transformed within a decade.
Today, only 1 in 4 stroke patients in the UK live within reach of thrombectomy services. This postcode lottery means thousands miss out on the best available care.
The campaign proposes that £100 million in ring-fenced investment is allocated annually for 5 years to ensure nationwide access.
This investment would fund new centres, ensure fast and efficient patient transfer, train specialist teams, and raise awareness among health professionals and the public.
The benefits are overwhelming. Every life saved could cost just £10,000 and return more than £120,000 in value.
Reducing long-term disability eases pressure on the NHS and social care, boosts productivity, and vastly improves quality of life for patients and families.
And not having to sell houses and assets to pay for care is a very important benefit to many.
With expanded capacity, the UK can also lead globally in exporting stroke expertise and technology.
This is a once-in-a-generation opportunity to save lives, cut costs, and transform stroke care.
A smart investment.
A humane cause. A no-brainer. We are raising £2 million to make this campaign a success.
£1 million in donor or charitable funding will support the team research, project planning, outreach and advocacy effort.
To ensure sustainability, the other £1 million is equity funding into Let's Fix the NHS, the organiser driving the campaign forward.
Join us and invest in a future where every stroke patient gets the chance they deserve.
Learn more at letsfixthenhs.help.
And if you answered yes to the question, please like and share this video with everyone you know.
Also, be sure to familiarise yourself with the Act Fast campaign.
Face. Has their face fallen on one side? Can they smile?
Arms. Can they raise both arms and keep them there?
Speech. Is their speech slurred?
Time. To call 999 if you see any single one of these signs.
And act fast. As we've said,
time is brain. Be prepared to recognize the symptoms and make the call. You might just save a life.
Support the no-brainer thrombectomy campaign, and you might help save 50,000.
Thanks for watching.